Welcome to Possibilities Depot, the ultimate authority on all things possible. In this video, we explore the vast realms of consciousness and cosmology. The universe is a vast and mysterious place. It's filled with billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars. We stand in awe of its beauty and complexity. But have you ever wondered if the universe itself might be alive? What if the Big Bang wasn't just an explosion of matter and energy? What if it was the universe waking up? Cosmologist Keith Bell proposes a radical idea. He suggests that the universe is conscious. He believes that consciousness is fundamental to the universe. For him, the Big Bang was the birth of awareness on a cosmic scale. This idea might sound strange at first. But what if we've been looking at the universe all wrong? What if our understanding of consciousness is too limited? What if the universe is telling us its own story? A story we're just beginning to hear? Stay tuned as we delve into the mysteries of the universe. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notify button to receive more information from Possibilities Depot. Bell's theory hinges on a bold claim. He argues that the Big Bang wasn't just a random event. It was the moment the universe became aware of itself. Imagine a vast, sleeping giant. The Big Bang, in Bell's view, was this giant opening its eyes for the first time. Think about the early universe. It was a chaotic soup of energy. Yet from this chaos, order emerged. Stars formed, galaxies took shape, planets like our own came into being. This incredible journey from simplicity to complexity, Bell argues, suggests a guiding principle, a kind of cosmic consciousness. Bell's idea is mind-blowing. It challenges us to rethink everything we thought we knew about the universe. Could it be that the universe is not an indifferent bystander in our lives? Could it be that we are part of something much grander, something truly alive and aware? David Chalmers, a renowned philosopher, talks about the hard problem of consciousness. He asks, how can physical matter give rise to subjective experience? How can the brain, a collection of cells, create the feeling of being alive and aware? Bell takes this question to a cosmic scale. If even understanding consciousness in ourselves is so difficult, imagine trying to understand it at the level of the entire universe. But Bell argues that the universe's evolution, its incredible journey from simplicity to complexity, hints at a deep underlying consciousness. Bell suggests that Chalmers' hard problem might have a surprising answer. What if consciousness isn't something that emerges from matter? What if it's the other way around? What if consciousness is fundamental, the very ground of being, from which everything else arises? Let's dive into the realm of the very small, the quantum world. Physicist Roger Penrose has proposed a fascinating theory. He believes that consciousness is rooted in the quantum processes happening within our brains. These processes, he suggests, allow our minds to tap into a deeper level of reality. Bell sees a connection between Penrose's ideas and his own. He proposes that if quantum processes can give rise to consciousness in our brains, perhaps similar processes on a grander scale give rise to cosmic consciousness. Imagine the universe as a giant quantum computer, constantly processing information and experiencing the cosmos. Of course, this is still highly speculative. The link between quantum mechanics and consciousness is still a mystery. But the possibility of a universe thinking through quantum processes is too captivating to ignore. a healthy dose of skepticism. Now, it's important to acknowledge that not everyone agrees with Bell. Physicist Sabine Hossenfelder, for example, is skeptical of his ideas. She argues that there's no scientific evidence to support the notion of a conscious universe. She believes that consciousness is an emergent property of complex systems like the human brain, not a fundamental property of the universe itself. Hossenfelder raises valid points. We must be cautious about attributing consciousness to something as vast and complex as the universe. We need more than just philosophical arguments. We need solid scientific evidence. However, Bell argues that the lack of evidence doesn't disprove his theory. He believes that our current scientific tools might be inadequate to detect cosmic consciousness. Just like we can't see radio waves with our eyes, we might need new ways of looking at the universe to perceive its consciousness. Dark matter. The universe's nervous system. Let's talk about one of the biggest mysteries in cosmology: dark matter. It makes up a large portion of the universe, yet we can't see it or interact with it directly. We only know it's there because of its gravitational effects on visible matter. Enter Rupert Sheldrake and his theory of morphic fields. He proposes that these fields carry information and influence the development of living organisms. Could dark matter, Bell wonders, be the physical substrate for these morphic fields on a cosmic scale? Imagine the universe with a vast, interconnected network of dark matter. This network could be transmitting information and influencing the evolution of galaxies, stars, and even life itself. In this view, dark matter wouldn't just be invisible matter, it would be the universe's nervous system. The heart of reality. Alfred North Whitehead, a philosopher and mathematician, developed a concept known as process philosophy. He believed that reality is not made up of static things, but of dynamic processes. For Whitehead, experience is fundamental. Even inanimate objects, in a way, experience the universe. Bell finds resonance with Whitehead's ideas. If the universe is conscious, then experience is likely at the heart of its existence. The universe isn't just a collection of objects. It's a constantly unfolding process of becoming, a cosmic dance of experience and interaction. This perspective shifts our understanding of our place in the cosmos. We're not just observers looking out at an indifferent universe. We're participants in a grand cosmic dance of experience, contributing to the universe's ever-evolving story. Dark energy. The universe's growing mind? We know the universe is expanding and this expansion is accelerating. The culprit? Dark energy, another cosmic mystery. We know very little about it, except that it seems to be pushing everything in the universe apart. Bell offers a tantalizing speculation. What if dark energy is a manifestation of the universe's growing consciousness? As the universe expands, it takes in more information and experience. This in turn could be fueling the expansion, like a mind constantly seeking new horizons. It might seem like a fantastical idea, but if consciousness is a fundamental property of the universe, as Bell proposes, then it's not a stretch to imagine it playing a role in the universe's evolution, even in something as seemingly unrelated as dark energy. Our place in the cosmic dance. So where does this leave us? The idea of a conscious universe is a profound one. It challenges us to rethink our place in the cosmos. We're not just insignificant beings on a tiny planet orbiting an average star. We are part of something much greater than ourselves. We are part of a universe that might be aware, that might be experiencing, that might even be thinking. This realization is both humbling and empowering. It reminds us that the universe is full of wonders we're only beginning to explore. The question of whether or not the universe is conscious is still open. But by asking such questions, by daring to imagine the impossible, we open ourselves up to new ways of understanding the cosmos and our place within it. We become active participants in the grand cosmic dance, contributing our own unique experiences to the symphony of the universe.